17, we're growing up, sneaking red wine in a paper cup. We saw the world so differently, talk about things we'd never be. 17, we're still so young, waiting outside for you to pick me up. Driving so fast we couldn't see, everything changed so suddenly. I moved to Brooklyn, you begged me to stay, but I never called cause you thought that I'd change. We both went back on the pact that we made, but you're all I know. I came to visit, but I found someone. Drove to the
Hey guys, welcome to my vlog. Welcome to today's vlog. By the way, it's the weekend. We'll be traveling today. We are traveling for the weekend today, and I decided to bring you guys along. Since this week I've just been feeling like my mood has been going almost spiral. Like, I don't know, like this week was not it for me. Honestly, it was not it, but life goes on. Right now I'm about to start packing our stuff because we are leaving very soon. It's almost like, what's the time? It's almost 10 a.m. You guys, I just finished packing. It took me almost like 1 hour to pack. I had to use song to motivate myself because at some point I even got confused. But I have this playlist of all the Korean songs I've ever heard that I like, so that was what I used to. In fact, I was busy dancing the whole time, but thankfully I'm done. So I need to go and freshen up right now and get ready, so that once my husband is ready we move. So I'm probably going to see you guys when we are leaving or when I go to pick up my package from Jumia. I hope I get to pick it up today. If not, that will be till like after the weekend. Yeah, that's basically it for now. Good evening guys, it's obviously the next day. Today we've had a really busy day. We've been up and about since morning, but right now we're on our way to SPAR. We need to get a few things. We're already here, Seth. It's currently around like to 7 or so, like so.
Be confused. You said don't you worry, it's not you, it's just me, my love. So don't waste it on me, you'll find somebody who's enough for you. For you. into my life with nothing to lose. Then you took me by surprise and left me confused. You said, don't you worry, it's not you, it's just me, my love. So don't waste it on me, you'll find somebody who's enough for you.
You guys, I'm here to do my unboxing. I told you guys the day before yesterday that I was going to pick up my items from Jumia, and like I ordered a few items and they finally arrived. 2 of the items finally arrived. The truth is, what is inside this box is very small. I don't understand why they had to use a whole carton to package the item, but anyway, I got 2 boxes here and both of them, so I'm going to unbox them really quick because I got this thing like 3 days ago and I couldn't open it because I already told you guys I was going to unbox it, so I wanted to show you guys. So look what we have here. So here is the backstory. I know you've been expecting one serious thing like that, but this is my receipt, I guess. So here I have, yep, this is the book I ordered. So recently I've been finding it really hard to read. I've been seeing reviews about this book. The truth is I have the soft copy. I started reading it sometime last year, but I couldn't finish. And recently my attention span is so short. So I decided I should get actual hard copy books so that like I don't know, I feel like it will give me some kind of motivation to read, because if I'm reading with my phone and I get any notification, I end up clicking out of what I'm reading, and before I remember that I was even reading before I got the notification, it takes a while, so it makes me not to read as much as I used to. So that was why I decided I was going to get hard copy books instead, because so that way if I drop my phone, I know I'm not touching my phone. Like I will give myself that, okay, today I'm reading 10 pages. If I don't finish these 10 pages, I'm not dropping, like I'm not touching my phone, because once I touch my phone, it's game over. Like I always have notification, like something is always happening that wants to take away my attention. So that was why I decided to buy this book. So I got this for 2,150, The Subtle Art of Not Giving Up. I wanted to get it from Instagram, so I checked. The prices I saw on Instagram was from 5,000. I was like, for this book, so I had to check Jumia. By the way, the links to this, the direct links to where I got this book on Jumia will be in my description box. So if you're interested, you can click the link there and to take you straight to the website. So I got this for 2,150 plus the delivery fee is 2,750. It's not even up to 3,000, but the Instagram pages I saw, it none was less than 5,000 without delivery fee. So, and it even has a new cover, you guys. It's nice. So let's unbox the second one. This one I got the recommendation from. There's this US YouTuber that I always watch, Jen Im. Her name is Jen Im. I'll leave the name on the screen. Like I always watch her vlogs. So at some point there was a time she recommended this particular book I'm about to unbox now, and like with what she said about the book, it felt like something I would want to read, so I decided to get it. I also have the soft copy, but like I explained before, it's really hard for me these days to concentrate and read soft copy books. I'm always like very distracted. So my phone always distracts me because it in Nigeria now, something is always happening. Okay, like even if you don't want to listen to news, you must have to listen to one thing. Like something is always happening, so there's always notification to something that is happening. This one came with rumpled receipt. So this is yes, Atomic Habits. So I got this for 2,150. It's the same price with this one. Damn. Atomic Habits, I got it for 2,150. I got it for 2,150 plus shipping fees 2,750. This particular one, the places I checked on Instagram, they said their last price was 6,500, like without delivery fee, and the delivery fee is like 3,500. So I was like, so I decided to get it from Jumia, and it's quite cheap, like compared to what I thought the price would be, to be honest. So it's the same price with this one, 2,150, then plus delivery is 2,750. I'm really happy with my purchase, like, and they're both new covers. Like I thought when I saw it on Jumia, I saw 2,150. I was like, are you sure it's not the old version? Like maybe the one someone has already read, and in fact different people who have finished reading and they decide to resell. But what I'm seeing here is actually a new, these are actually new covers and very, very neat. So yeah, so that's it. Well, maybe in my subsequent vlog I'm going to maybe give you the gist of what the book is about. That's when I start reading it. But if you're interested in purchasing any of these books from Jumia, I got each of them for 2,150, 2,150. So if you're interested, I'll leave the direct link in my description box, so you can click it there and it will take you straight to the website where you can purchase it from Jumia. Yeah, that's it for now. I finally did the unboxing. I left this thing since, because I went to unbox it for you guys. Oh, you guys, I also got a new slippers yesterday. Let me show you. So here are my new slides. I got it yesterday. The guy that makes it is the guy that makes footwears for my husband. So he makes really, really nice things. Like he stays in Enugu. He stays in Obaeta Market. So if you're interested, his number will be also in the description box. He makes really, really nice slides, and they are of high quality. So that is all for now. So that'll be all for now. I'm done with the unboxing, and this is where I'll probably be ending today's video, because I feel like this video is gonna be long. I don't even know what is in it, but anyway, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, click the subscribe button below and turn on your post notification. Also give this video a thumbs up, because if you watched up to this point, that means you enjoyed this vlog. So please give it a thumbs up. Also type your comments in the comment section. Type your comments in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much. Bye.